there are 37 or 38 kilometers of a highway built every day in India. I feel like जो इंडिया के लोग हैं, they are the primary reason why road rages we have or the problems we have on roads aren't solving themselves.
If Dubai's middle class can follow the rules well, what is the factor that is giving India's middle class or just Indian people on the road the courage to break the rules?
People, infrastructure, and then police. When you know at some point or the other some idiot on a Dio is going to crash into you and he's going to have all dyed hair and he's going to just कुछ भी हो जाए, पापा को कॉल लगाएगा, पापा उसका मंत्री संतरी टाइप का होगा कोई, एंड में तू ही मरेगा.
And until what I have seen, मेरे friends जो कोई भी लड़कियां हैं, ठीक है, उनको फोन देता हूँ, I give them the phone to sit behind.
GPS, of course.
हर time direction गलत.
GPS, हाँ, GPS I accept, yeah.
When you're traveling through a gully and somebody tells you this is the main road of Chennai. That's basically Chennai situation right now.
That's Right, hey everyone, welcome back to the 31st episode of the Double Bond podcast.
31.
I know you guys were expecting a story time episode about our colleges and ये वो, but उसके लिए थोड़ा time लगेगा. I don't know if we can speak about our colleges that badly.
मतलब serious एंड सम टाइम आ रहा है हमें उनकी मदद चाहिए, ठीक है. उनकी पोल खोलने से वो हमारी मदद नहीं करेंगे.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड जिस कॉलेज में मैं पढ़ता हूँ उनकी लीगल टीम थोड़ी सी मतलब हल्की सी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो मैं कुछ कमेंट नहीं करूँगा अभी कॉलेज स्टोरी टाइम के बारे में. आएगी ये एपिसोड यू आर ट्यूनिंग इन मेनली फॉर द रोड रेज स्टोरी टाइम और द रोड रेज पॉडकास्ट. 31st episode, map you know how the whole drill goes. Thank you for supporting for all of the videos you have been watching till now.
The previous video did well.
Hopefully. हमें तो पता नहीं, हमने पिछले आधे घंटे में रिकॉर्ड किया, but judging by the fact that the previous video you have watched, this is a continuation for the previous video. If you haven't watched, ऊपर है जाके देख लो. If you haven't watched one of our 1-star reviews या the मूवी रिव्यूज, उसकी लिंक्स ऊपर है, जाके देख लो. एंड या सो वी लास्ट week for you guys, last week we were talking about road rage.
Basically last wala we'll talk it a bit more in an organized way abhi. Let's break it down, ठीक है. Okay, first, what is the biggest problem that you find on roads? For example, it can
गड्ढे.
हाँ ठीक है. Let me give you options, ठीक है. First, infrastructure issues of the road. Second, the people on the road.
ठीक है.
And third, the police on the road.
Okay.
If all three might have a problem, tell me the problems which you feel and place them in an order on which is more irritating for you or you find faulty.
Judging by the last few videos, and cause 29th episode didn't do well, ऊपर है जाके देख लो, प्लीज देख लो यार. तब तक तो 50 व्यू आने चाहिए जब तक ये एपिसोड आएगा. बट जजिंग बाय दैट डिस्कशन वी हैड इन द मिडिल क्लास एपिसोड कि मिडिल क्लास विल नेवर चेंज हाउ मच एवर मनी इनफ्लोज एंड आउटफ्लोज आउट ऑफ देयर लाइफ और लाइफ स्टाइल. आई फील लाइक द टॉप प्रायोरिटी एटलीस्ट इन इंडिया आर द पीपल. कि see, did you know that in India at the current government pace there are 37 or 38 kilometers of a highway built every day in India?
Okay.
Today 37 every day since the last, like I think COVID से start किया था, I don't know, but वैसे देखा जाए तो the government is providing. अब I'm not hugely political about which government is providing. I'm not saying कि पॉलिटिक्स के हिसाब से बीजेपी इज वर्किंग और कांग्रेस इज इंट वर्किंग और आई डोंट नो, ओके, बट द गवर्नमेंट वी आर अंडर राइट नाउ, नरेंद्र मोदीज गवर्नमेंट, it is providing us 38 kilometers or 40 kilometers of a highway every day. And judging by that fact and judging by the previous conversations, I feel like जो इंडिया के लोग हैं, they are the primary reason why the road infrastructure, yeah, or the road rages we have, or the problems we have on roads aren't solving themselves. Because it is finally that thing which you said कि इनको कुछ भी दे दो ये वहीं पे अटके रहेंगे, तो उनको वहीं रखो. But in this case, the government is actually thinking about us. कि every day a middle class or a lower class person needs to travel or walk or go by car or go by bike or go by bus. So that way they're providing, but the middle class certainly doesn't want to, take steps on
Then,
that.
okay, fine. Same thing. ठीक है.
हाँ.
दुबई में भी मिडिल क्लास एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. ठीक है.
Okay.
Obviously, middle class exists in
Everywhere, yeah.
ठीक है. Because it's just an economical state. ठीक है. If Dubai's middle class can follow the rules well, what is the factor that is giving India's middle class or just Indian people on the road the courage to break the rules?
Now the second जो तूने 3 options दिए थे, this perfectly lines up. ठीक है कि what do Dubai people like have to follow the rules? Why do they have to follow the rules, or what is compelling them basically is the fact that infrastructure.
Okay.
कि people, infrastructure and then police, because police finally is doing their job. हाँ, bribery वाले cases बहुत सुने हैं, ठीक है. Corruption is still existent, though like इतने सारे demonetizations हो चुके हैं इंडिया में, but the infrastructure, I would say, in not only places like Dubai but everywhere outside India is in a sort where you would feel bad as a person who drives on a road to break the rules. Whereas India mein, though the infrastructure is getting there year on year, it necessarily isn't by the standards till now.
I mean, like,
See, first main thing as a motorhead that comes to my mind when it comes to road rage or talking about all of this is the fact that India doesn't have supercars. Say tomorrow you get rich enough to buy a supercar, कहाँ चलाएगा तू, गड्ढों में? Or even if you don't get a supercar or get rich enough, you drive a car which is owned by you and you have pride on it कि मेरी गाड़ी है, and what happiness do you have as a driver to go on those roads and drive? So what happiness are you getting while driving your own pridely owned car when you know at some point or the other some idiot on a Dio is going to crash into you and he's going to have all dyed hair and he's going to just कुछ भी हो जाए, पापा को कॉल लगाएगा, पापा उसका मंत्री संतरी टाइप का होगा कोई, एंड में तू ही मरेगा और खुद की मरवाएगा. तो यू डोंट हैव द हैप्पीनेस, नाइदर डू यू हैव द प्राइड ऑफ कि मैं क्यों तोड़ूं रूल. इट्स नॉट लाइक दुबई और इट्स नॉट लाइक अब्रॉड कंट्रीज वेर यू हैव अ posh enough car to drive outside and you enjoy driving, and it compels, the infrastructure compels you to drive properly with rules. Is that thing. And again it ties up with the first 3, why policemen are on the least, because दोनों जगह पे पुलिस वाले अपना अपना काम ही कर रहे हैं at the end of the day. So it's not them who is trying to drag down the system. It's just at one point India would have given corruption, we would have started corruption or would have indulged in corruption so much that police officers of our time got so influenced that of the corruption and of कि नहीं यार 500 ले लो और छोड़ दो type, that it still exists. It's not going to change.
okay. So, do you see these problems getting fixed anytime soon? Like, if you do, how long?
I'd say, because everything is based on 2050, I'd say अगर ये चैनल 2050 तक चला तो हम 2050 में, मैं आज एक रिमाइंडर लगा रहा हूँ, ठीक है.
Hopefully make it out of college alive.
बट आज एक रिमाइंडर लगा रहा हूँ 2050 साल का. ठीक है, अगर ये चैनल तब तक चल रहा होगा 2050 साल में we'll check up on the road issues podcast, like remake another episode.
Make sure you stay subscribed till then.
Till then नहीं, subscribe का बटन अभी जाके मारो. Cause यार please 150 subscribers by the end of 2024, start of 2025.
Okay, so yeah, one more thing. Stereotype के बारे में बात करते हैं.
Okay.
Women driving. Okay, I have a very good point about this. ठीक है.
अब ये डिबेट हो जाएगी, स्टीरियोटाइप नहीं रहेगा. फॉर एंड अगेंस्ट. ठीक है. थैंक यू टू ऑल द लेडीज हु आर गोइंग टू एग्री विथ मी, बट पहले से ही बता के रख रहा हूँ, फिर बीच में कुछ गलत वलत ना बोल दूँ. बता दे.
नहीं क्या. अच्छा ओके हाँ.
तू अगेंस्ट है, मैं फॉर हूँ. आई एम सेटिंग अप दिस रिमाइंडर बाय द वे.
हाँ तो लाइक देख ठीक है. I don't know for some reason if it's my environment, ठीक है, because every single woman I have seen drive in my life, they're worst at it.
Okay.
भाई कसम से like even recently एक लड़की है ठीक है देख even men go off the rules but we stick to basics of driving, like road पे देखना ठीक है, रोड पे फोकस करना, आगे से कौन आ रहा है पीछे से कौन आ रहा है, फोकस कि तुम्हारे
I have put it up, okay? I have put the reminder up saying check on road rage 14th November 2050. Continue. Sorry.
तो हाँ तो लाइक वी ऑलवेज हम जितना भी रूल को तोड़े
हाँ.
हमें पता है हमारे सराउंडिंग में क्या चल रहा है. ठीक है. तो रिसेंटली मेरी दोस्त
स्टोरी टाइम नहीं हो रहा है.
नहीं स्टोरी टाइम नहीं है, जनरली
5 सेकंड का क्लिप आएगा.
तो बेसिकली मेरे दोस्त ठीक है उनके दोस्तों के साथ बाहर गए ठीक है, और उनके दोस्त ठीक है ना उनके दोस्त मतलब जा रहे थे और दे जस्ट ओवरटुक अ गाय.
Okay.
लाइक एक बंदा रोड.
Oh, I have heard this, yeah.
तो आगे से आ गए ठीक है. इन लोगों को सॉरी बोलना था. नाउ टेल मी इज इट नेसेसरी टू लुक एट द फ्रंट ऑफ द रोड एंड ड्राइव और जस्ट टेल सॉरी टू टर्न बैक. ठीक है, अगर सॉरी भी बोलना है गाड़ी को साइड में रोक के पीछे से बोलना है. नहीं, उनको ड्राइव करते करते पीछे सॉरी बोलना था. आगे देखा एक और बंदा था, अचानक से ब्रेक मारा, स्किड हुआ.
Okay.
लड़कियां थी ड्राइविंग करते हुए. आई हैड टू गो अगेन 10 किलोमीटर.
ऑटो बाय द वे, आई मीन ऑटो नहीं, क्या बोल रहा हूँ, स्कूटर सॉरी.
ठीक है. एंड द थिंग इज लाइक यार इवन व्हेन आई वेंट फॉर ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस ये भी था. एक आंटी ने ड्राइविंग टेस्ट से पहले गाड़ी को उड़ा दी. फुल एक्सेलरेटर मार के गाड़ी को उड़ा दी एंड शी फेल डाउन. भाई टेक्निकली शी शुड बी ऑलरेडी डिस्क्वालिफाइड फ्रॉम देयर. ठीक है, क्योंकि उनको सही से पता नहीं.
बट यू नो द आरटीओ सिस्टम, जब तक वो बंदा नहीं आता तब तक कोई डिस्क्वालिफाइड ये गेम नहीं चल रही है.
एग्जैक्टली. तो बेसिकली until what I have seen in my environment, I don't really see many women driving very well. Even when I drive on the road, I see a woman without giving the opposite indicator and going the opposite direction. Going an indicator and going the opposite direction.
वो तो लड़के भी तो करता है.
Until what I've seen, the amount of women doing that is more. And until what I have seen, मेरे friends जो कोई भी लड़कियां हैं ठीक है उनको फोन देता हूँ. I give them the phone to sit behind. GPS of course. हर टाइम डायरेक्शन गलत. GPS
हाँ GPS I accept यार.
भाई उनके डायरेक्शन स्किल्स आई फील लाइक थोड़ा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिफेक्ट है. जितने भी लड़कियां मेरे अराउंडिंग है मुझे उनमें तो पक्का डिफेक्ट है भाई. दे डोंट इवन टेल द डायरेक्शंस राइट, हमेशा ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन बोलते हैं.
वो वाला ट्रेंड.
एग्जैक्टली.
लेफ्ट राइट.
देख ठीक है, आई टोटली respect the girls who drive very well, follow the rules, but I just think most of the women, at least around me, are not fit for driving even on the road.
Okay, अब again सुन लिया, अब for सुन लो.
ठीक है.
देश कैसे बढ़ेगा?
अरे देख, I don't have a problem.
I will tell you one thing. I'll tell you. Let's take a comparison. ठीक है. अब you see these like boxy ass cars.
Yeah.
Like WagonR is like very basic level. There is this new car called Windsor from MG. Okay. It's like the most boxy a car can get. Okay. But it's like curve curved है थोड़ी थोड़ी, but it is boxy. So these cars come under like the sort of cars a woman would drive. Okay, and it's like it's very heavily stereotyped in America that these cars are made for women or like mothers, single mothers जो होती है उनके लिए. So if you guys would have watched Fast and Furious, उसमें there is a whole sequence of Paul Walker being not okay with these sort of cars, which is like minivans या boxy cars. So the fact being that अगर उस टाइम पे लाइक 70s से चलती आ रही हैं गाड़ियाँ एंड 70s से अमेरिकन वुमेन ड्राइव, इफ दे डिडंट लेट देयर वुमेन ड्राइव बाय द 70s, एंड ऑफ कोर्स हर देश में इफ वुमेन ड्राइव और इफ मेन ड्राइव देयर आर accidents bound to happen. The country wouldn't have grown, and at the rate of people that are marrying and divorcing in India as well, तुझे लगता है कि if we have a friend who gets married suddenly, who has a kid with this girl and then just leaves the kid also, वो नहीं होता get milk and come back but never comes back type. अगर वो इंडिया में आ गया, you will have to train a whole era of girls like they are Swifties, like they are, I don't know, Blackpink fans या BTS fans. You will have to train a whole era of girls who would be willing to drive properly, and somehow or the other as a driver daily मैं चलाता हूँ, ठीक है. I do not have a problem in seeing if the country is growing finally. I don't have a problem in seeing women drivers drive, however bad they drive. Because finally, driving is about how you drive. It's not about how the other person drives. If you know and if you are unconscious, you can say that even women drivers should be conscious enough to drive.
They should
True,
be more.
they should be. But हम भी है. हमारे केस में भी आ सकता है. कि when we drive, say a woman is driving into us, we should be ready enough to apply the brake.
Okay.
We shouldn't be like dozing off and then finally तू जाके उस लड़की या औरत पे थोड़ी ना डाल सकता है कि नहीं यार तेरी गलती है. गलती तो तेरी भी है कि तू भी ब्रेक कर सकता था.
मैं ब्रेक करता, वो थोड़ी ना ब्रेक करती, वो भी आ रही थी.
Car is going like this. This is her car. This is your car. Now what would you do in this situation?
भाई उस सिचुएशन में मैं रोकता. फॉर एग्जांपल
You would brake here, correct?
Yeah.
She'll take. Let her take, you can honk.
Okay, हाँ.
Problem solved.
The point is exactly the point is जब वो नहीं कर सकते रूल्स फॉलो, ठीक है,
हम भी तो करते नहीं है ना.
हम भी करते नहीं है.
I'll tell you this one thing. I forgot this in the last episode. जब मैं I went to Salem, this place, this small town in Tamil Nadu, and I was coming back. So this road is notorious. This whole like Chennai Coimbatore road is notorious for this one thing and one thing only. अभी के लिए current situation पे, this road has like a 2-lane highway on each side, and then it suddenly converges into a singular lane one, which is like एक side से जा रही है, एक side से आ रही है, वो गली वाली वाइब. And it pisses off any driver. While coming back from that place, minivan guy. If you are from the north and if you don't know what minivans are,
telling you,
this is what a minivan looks like. It's a Mahindra only vehicle.
Bhai, I'm telling you, if you, North Indians or any state other than, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, I don't think Andhra, Telangana में minivans नहीं है, ठीक है. उतने
It's only Chennai and like mostly.
Mostly Kerala also don't know. I'll just speak for Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu में बहुत सारे हैं. It's like a traditional vehicle, man. Yeah. And the thing is, I'm just trying to explain, ठीक है, what minivans are. If you think auto is an irritating part of the road, I'm telling you, this is उसका बड़ा भाई also roaming with the auto.
And with equal amount of accident hazards happening. So हम जब आ रहे थे, it was like this bridge, ठीक है. पूरा भाई इतना फिल्मी सीक्वेंस हुआ था ना उस दिन कि ब्रिज पे एक साइड से लाइक एक रोड पे एक 2 लेन का रोड है, दोनों साइड से गाड़ियाँ जा रही है, आ रही है. अब हमारी गाड़ी बड़ी है compared to the small alto car you guys might have, or the small things you might have, small cars you might have, an SUV fitting into the whole lane. What does this guy with 30 fucking people filled into his minivan, by the way, decides to do while he wants to overtake some other guy on the approaching side of the road? नॉर्मली तू क्या करता, तू ओवरटेक करता, मेरी गाड़ी यहाँ पे है, दिस इज हिज मिनी वैन, ओके, ही इज इन माई लेन फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 45 seconds he was in our lane. It almost felt like if my dad hadn't switched a bit, bridge है, you can't even switch into some ditch or something, चला जाएगा तू.
हाँ भाई,
ये बंदा 45 seconds के लिए स्ट्रेट आ रहा था हम पे. We were so fucking scared that day. And it's a guy in his mid 40s, 50s, I don't know, with 30 people in his.
Minivans in Tamil Nadu are only driven by men.
Exactly. And so that's the case कि if we don't decide कि हाँ यार ये सब stereotype women छोड़ दो, ठीक है, we need to build this era of women who can drive well.
नहीं, कसम से, to be honest, I am not telling women to stop driving.
Yeah.
I'm just telling
Good ones to drive.
Yeah.
Like good drivers to be
देख
women.
भाई, I will like देख भाई, we men, ठीक है, I believe 90% of them have a sort of consciousness while we drive कि पता है मैनेज कर लेंगे, will pull off the situation, pull कर लेते हैं situation. For example, 90% of, not 90%, keep it 80% also, ठीक है, अगर we break the rule, we make sure we drive safely
Properly,
और
yeah.
drive properly. The point is एक set of consciousness और maturity रहता है, which
That I think even women who are watching or girls who are watching this might agree कि some parts of them, like mentally or physically, they don't really want to be the person driving on the road.
yes.
Like they want to be the passenger princess, yeah, probably your mother, yeah, like who sat on the back in the back seat and just looking out the window or something. They don't want to take that much risk to drive around than they want to be driven around
Yes.
in with.
Even with most of my friends, they just मतलब like देख, for example, ये मेरा दोस्त है and he's a guy.
Of course.
I'm just establishing here, ठीक है. And for example, ये गाड़ी चला रहा है, ठीक है, be it scooter और a bike और a car, ठीक है, और मैं भी गाड़ियाँ चलाता हूँ, ठीक है, एंड मैं गाड़ी एक लेके आया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जनरली भी आई गेट माई कार, इसका ऑटोमेटिक है, मेरा मैनुअल है, ही हिमसेल्फ कम्स एंड आस्क्स मी, भाई मुझे चलानी है, मैं दे देता हूँ. एट द सेम टाइम ए गर्ल हु आल्सो नोस हाउ टू ड्राइव अ कार, व्हेन आई गेट अ कार, शी नेवर आस्क्स मी, शी जस्ट कम्स, जस्ट सिट्स, वी गो टू द प्लेस, वी गेट ऑन, दैट्स इट. Be it any vehicle.
That is sort of embedded into what you think
That's
as
what
a
तू भी तो
guy.
वही बोल रहा था ना.
हाँ, what you think as a guy कि ओ दोस्त ने गाड़ी ले ली,
हाँ.
मुझे टेस्ट ड्राइव चाहिए.
जनरली अगर
At this time, if you're a girl, you would be more likely to be driven around than कि ओ इसमें इतना
भाई,
brake
same
horsepower
thing.
है. हाँ.
Same thing, stereotype.
Yeah. That is a very big
inbuilt in
stereotype.
our
Genes probably. I don't know. We can't name it as genes because it's not evolving.
Because personally, ठीक है,
हाँ.
personally, I fucking love girls who can drift on road, go at 90 km/h without any.
So yeah, जब तेरा दोस्त तू as a guy, it's embedded inside of you कि you have to take the test drive of your friend's car if he is buying a new car. Whereas women would likely go on a drive कि यार अच्छी गाड़ी है, हाँ, by the way, and तुझे कुछ sweets या chocolate दे के चली जाए. That is the case. Like
स्वीट्स और चॉकलेट्स भी नहीं देते यार आजकल.
तू गाड़ी लेके तो देख, मिल जाएंगे.
लिया तो है.
ले ली.
उल्टा, अरे स्कूटर.
स्कूटर में तुझे भिखारी भी भीख ना मांगे, गाड़ी बोल रहा हूँ मैं, कार. जब तू कार लेता है तब स्कूटर कौन देखता है यार. स्कूटर तो हर दूसरे दिन नई आ जाती है, एक्टिवा. तो हाँ, रोड रेज के बारे में वी हैड दिस होल immersion right now, but camera stopped recording. So I was talking about this whole incident in front of my college campus where an Activa guy was hit behind by a taxi guy. उस टैक्सी के पीछे एक ट्रक वाला था और दिस एक्टिवा guy had the audacity to shout in bad words in Tamil to the truck guy because truck guy was honking. Activa people, we can never understand you. Like भाई बुक भी PhD भी आ जाए ना एक्टिवा वालों की, तब भी लोग समझ नहीं पाएंगे कि एक्टिवा वाले इतने मतलब अलग ही रेलम में रह रहे हैं लोग. एक सुपर हीरो गांड मरा है एक्टिवा भाई. You can sit 20 people on an Activa. You deserve a salute, man. And I know there are cities in India that do that, and people in India that have done that before. तुझे क्या लगता है रोड रेज? What would be the best short road rage topic or like a story, small story?
I feel like the thing is, my biggest problem on the road with people in मतलब मेरे एरिया में first ऑटो वाले, ठीक है, while we were recording the middle class episode, while I was coming to record the middle class episode, ये अखंड चूतिया ऑटो वाला, ठीक है, वो क्या हुआ, I was driving the car, ठीक है, मैं उसको हॉन्क किया बहुत बार, ठीक है, I honk a lot whenever I drive my car, ठीक है, I honked a lot, वो बंदा गया, ठीक है, अब वो चूतिया पता नहीं अंधा है, पता नहीं क्या बोलूँ मैं उसको, वो बंदा फिर से आके साइड में टच कर दिया गाड़ी को, मतलब he went like a parabola that side and came and hit the car again, मतलब टच किया, he went that side and he came touch the car again. कसम से बोल रहा हूँ, उतना ज्यादा कुछ लगा नहीं, it was just a light touch and भाई नेक्सॉन है मेरी तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, ठीक है, ठीक है, तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, ठीक है, पर ना और मेरा मारुति होता तो वो अलग छोड़, वो डेंट हो जाता,
पूरा डेंट हो जाता,
उतार के उसको रोड के बीच में मारता मैं, ठीक है, एंड कसम से भाई आई फील लाइक द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इन आई डोंट नो हैदराबाद में मैंने कभी फेस नहीं किया है, ठीक है, बट in Chennai, like the two places I've driven till now are mainly Hyderabad and Chennai, ठीक है, and I never face this problem with Hyderabad में लोगों की प्रॉब्लम है, भैंचोद वो चलते हैं रोड के बीच में आके रुक जाते हैं, अरे अबे यार चले तो पूरे चलो मत चलो, तेरा बाप का रोड है क्या, बीच में आके रुक रहे हो, ठीक है.
I feel like रोड के बारे में there's one more important thing we're missing. Normally in every other country, even including in India, normally in every other country including India there are 4 directions: north, east, west, south, as you may know already. इंडिया में थोड़ा they go by the old rituals कि 10 दिशा है, 10 दिशा से आओ, कहीं से भी घुस जाओ, किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Because bhai, I swear man, the amount of times people have just gone by and DO guys with like Hirde Bhal.
And at this point I don't even blame people in Chennai, because like bhai, if you have to take, for example, तुम गलत आ गए, ठीक है, वापस जाना है पीछे, अगला U-turn कहाँ होगा, 2 किलोमीटर दूर.
वो तो construction that doesn't really.
नहीं, the point is you could have made it simpler, but तुझे नहीं बनाना. And these people think
city
it's so
planning
light.
is also important.
Yes. And these people think it is so light. They have started to put boards in Chennai. 0 is good because you have to roam around and come, so it makes a 0 or a circle. They put up those posters. तुझे पता, तूने देखा होगा,
okay.
0 is good करके.
अच्छा.
There is a road, ठीक है, येलो कलर का 0 होगा, is good करके लिखा होगा.
अच्छा.
That means क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें हुई थी, क्योंकि हर एवरी सिंगल थिंग वाज 2 किलोमीटर अवे, हर एक 2 किलोमीटर, 1-2-3 किलोमीटर दूर था, ठीक है, तो एवरीवन वाज गेटिंग पिस्ड, देयर वर सो मेनी कंप्लेंट्स, सो दे जस्ट टुक इट लाइटली एंड पुट अ पोस्टर एवरीवेयर कि 0 इज गुड, क्योंकि भाई they did not even plan the roads properly. उनका प्लान
हर सिटी में not only Chennai, like every city in India, every city outside. No. Every
I
city
have
is
driven in Hyderabad. I know. अगर
अरे
मैं गलत रोड पे आ गया हूँ, it's 500 meters with every divider.
नहीं, डिवाइडर छोड़ दे. The planning is one of the main reasons why I think like people on the road who are literate enough to follow the rules to say they're like good women drivers, and they're even if they're not good women drivers, if they're like men, they get pissed because the planning is so shit. एंड हर दूसरे जगह पे आजकल मेट्रो का स्टेशन आ चुका है. एट दिस पॉइंट प्लीज़ यार, मेट्रो बांधो तो नीचे बांधो, ऊपर मत बांधो प्लीज़. फ्लाईओवर नहीं बनाने हमें. हमारी बिल्डिंग के हाइट के फ्लाईओवर किसके लिए चाहिए? कहाँ कौन सा पहाड़ दिख रहा है तुम्हें चेन्नई से?
मतलब पता नहीं, I don't really relate to this.
इन बैंगलोर ठीक है.
I don't really have a problem with flyover metros or
I don't have a problem with metros. Metro बनाओ, but बनाओ तो just don't take up road space.
हाँ मतलब like देखो,
They have shut 2 whole lanes of the main highway I travel through for the last 2 years, and they say that they're going to shut it till the next 2 years. And you know how much time that consumes? There's only 2 lanes working, and उस lane में भी गड्ढे. जितना रोड रेज सोच के आता है उससे 10 गुना ज्यादा चलाते वक्त आता है उस रोड पे.
Imagine you're traveling through a gully and somebody tells you this is the main road of Chennai. That's basically Chennai's situation right now.
That's. But anyways, road rage is a humongous topic. Like जितना भी करो बहुत आएगा.
This is my personal opinion, ठीक है. तुम road space पता नहीं रहे city का. I'll tell you personally, I find Chennai's city's planning is the worst I've seen in my life till now, क्योंकि
तू एक ही सिटी में रह चुका है इसके पहले.
And that is better than Bangalore now.
No, yeah, Hyderabad is good. That's not the point. The point being like it's not a problem from Chennai's side. It's just like general cities in India.
I don't know about other cities, but I can only compare the city.
Bhai, trust me, you have not been to Pune. Bhai, Pune mein I can speak because I know, okay? And trust me, I'm a Punekar. Like if you guys are from Maharashtra, okay? I know I've been to the place. Pune has the most number of two-wheelers in all of India.
Okay.
Not everyone is wearing helmets.
No, it's not about the.
And everyone comes from everywhere else.
It's not about the helmet part also. I'm talking about the city planning. Right? The thing is, I come from a city like Hyderabad. Okay, जहाँ पे roads इतने wide है, and they still managed to make a flyover without taking any space. I never had a problem.
Bangalore is also somewhat in that sense only.
I don't know.
But like, देखो यार, just improve. Follow rules. Every city just improve. ठीक है. Like जब तक illiterate रहोगे तुम rules के बारे में, तब तक you will be caught in all of these episode 30 वाले कांड कि 500 दे दो 600 दे दो.
अगर कोई पुलिस तुम्हें रैंडमली रोकता है, ठीक है, जस्ट जनरल चेकिंग के लिए, एंड वी विल प्रोबेबली आस्क यू फॉर इंश्योरेंस, जनरल डॉक्यूमेंट्स, हेलमेट पहना है कि नहीं, बेसिक चेकिंग, पोल्यूशन, ठीक है, और व्हाट, डबल हेलमेट, डबल सीट, डबल पैसेंजर हेलमेट. Just make sure you follow the basic rules.
Yeah, I think that is also one point where like Americans are good at, where they know the right कि पुलिस कब रोक सकता है तुझे.
Yeah.
जब इंडिया में तुझे घंटा फर्क नहीं पता कि.
Literacy rates in outside India are better than what India has.
Study about rules, follow the rules, keep watching our podcast. If you like this episode, नीचे like करके comment करके बताना हमें हमारे relatability factor के बारे में. I don't know what the fuck.
Like, he had a complete different opinion, I had a complete different.
Yeah, it's almost like a debate at this point. But make sure you subscribe before leaving. हर हफ्ते और हर दूसरे हफ्ते we release these episodes on this channel. If you like this episode, पूरा playlist है, ऊपर जाके देख लो. This guy is Sigma, I am Pi. I look after this podcast stuff. So if you want to see him more specifically to the ladies, zoom in on his face.
अरे अभी से लेडी फॉलोइंग थोड़ी कम हो जाएगी, मैं बहुत स्टीरियोटाइपिकली बोल रहा हूँ
हाँ,
बारे में।
but if you want to see him more 1-star reviews he manages, so Sigma के 1-star reviews या movie reviews देखने ऊपर जाके देख लो.
एंड थैंक यू फॉर द बुलबुले.
या 500
I-
व्यूज क्रॉस कर गई है,
क्या
हो जाएगी तब तक, मुझे नहीं पता.
1 सेकंड के लिए
440 450 पे है.
450 बैठ की.
हाँ, बट या इफ यू वांट मोर रिव्यूज, मोर पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड्स, नीचे कमेंट करके बताओ.
more movie discussion episodes because that is our
Yes,
passion.
yes. And thank you for watching this episode, guys, and subscribe before you leave. Peace off.
Fuck off.